Before watching this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Hydryllin syrup is an effective syrup for treatment, prevention and control and improving the cough conditions and the symptoms. This medicine also improves the breathing of patients by opening up the air passages in the lungs. Hydrogen syrup, basically aminophylline, falls under the category of cough and cold. It's theophylline, ethylene diamine complex, and it's a salt of the theophylline and most commonly used for the therapeutic purpose. The hydrogen syrup contains aminophylline, diphenhydramine, ammonium chloride, and menthol. Moreover, the hydryllin syrup is also used to prevent difficulty in breathing, shortness of breath caused by asthma, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, and other types of lung disease. Hydrogen syrup dosage for adults 2 teaspoons 2 times a day. You can take the syrup every 4 to 6 hours based on the condition of the patient. For children, cough and cold medicines are not shown effective in children 6-year-old unless they recommend you by looking after the patient's condition. Well, the long-acting tablets are not recommended to use on the children who are younger than 12 years old. Hydrogen syrup side effects. You may experience these side effects of hydrogen syrup while intaking this. For example, anxiety, abdominal pain, nausea, hypoglycemia, convulsions, maybe vomiting, hypokalemia, palpitation, withdrawal symptoms. If any of these conditions persist or get worse, so consult your doctor immediately. When not to use hydrogen syrup, so it is not advised to those patients who have allergies and those who are hypersensitive to the drug or any of these ingredients added in the composition. Precautions while using hydrogen syrup. So don't ever use this medicine to make the child sleepy. If you are pregnant, so don't intake this medicine. If you are allergic to any active ingredients, then consult your doctor before taking this medicine as it contains some inactive ingredients that can cause some allergic reactions and other problems. This hydrogen syrup may contain sugar, alcohol, so if you have diabetes, liver disease or any other condition that limits or restricts you from avoiding sugar, then ask your doctor before using this syrup. Consult your doctor if cough returns along with a fever, severe throat, rash, headache, or any of these side effects get worse.